Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 29th July 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 13 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. International Tiger Day is observed every year on. Answer is 29th July. International Tiger Day or World Tiger Day is celebrated annually on 29th July to make people aware of the dangers and problems faced by tigers around the globe. The theme for International Tiger Day 2024 is Tigers, Roar for Conservation. The decision to recognize this day was taken in 2010 at the St. Petersburg Tiger Summit in Russia. Tigers are found in only 13 countries of the world, while 70% of its tigers are in India only. Question number 2. Which country has won the Women's T20 Asia Cup 2024? Answer is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka secured their first Women's T20 Asia Cup title on 28 July 2024. Beating India by 8 wickets. Samravikrama was the player of the match in the final, while Chamari Atpattu was the player of the tournament for her 304 runs and 3 wickets in the event. Out of the 9 editions of Women's Continental Tournament, India has won 7, while Bangladesh won 1 title. In 2018, Bangladesh beat India by 3 wickets. Question number 3. India's first integrated agri-export facility is set to develop in. Answer is Mumbai. The Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority, JNPA, is set to develop India's first integrated agricultural export facility at Jawaharlal Nehru Port in Mumbai. The project, approved by the Union Minister for Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Sarbananda Sonowal, is valued at 284.19 crore rupees and will cover an area of 67,422 square meters. Question number 4. Asia's first low-carbon green zinc, Ecozin, was launched by. Answer is Hindustan Zinc. Hindustan Zinc Limited, the world's second-largest integrated zinc producer, has launched Ecozin, Asia's first low-carbon green zinc brand. Ecozin has a low-carbon zinc and has a carbon footprint of less than 1 ton of carbon equivalent per ton of zinc produced. It is manufactured using renewable energy, making its carbon footprint of about 75% lower than the global average. Question number 5. Who became first Indian woman to win a shooting medal at the Olympic Games? Answer is Manu Bhakar. Manu Bhakar won a bronze medal for India in the women's 10-meter air pistol shooting event at the 2024 Paris Olympics. This remarkable achievement marks a significant milestone as Bhakar becomes first Indian woman to win a shooting medal at the Olympic Games. At the 2018 Youth Olympics, Manu clinched gold in the women's 10-meter air pistol event, becoming the first Indian shooter and female athlete to achieve this feat. Question number 6. Which country became the chairman of Asian Disaster Preparedness Center for 2024-25? Answer is India. India assumed the chairmanship of the Asian Disaster Preparedness Center for 2024-25 on 25 July 2024. India took over the chairmanship from China, which was the chairman of the Asian Disaster Preparedness Center for 2023-24. Rajendra Singh, head of the Department of National Disaster Management Authority, representing the Government of India, assumed the chairmanship of the Asian Disaster Preparedness Center. Question number 7. Who has introduced a revised model skill loan scheme? Answer is Jayant Chaudhary. The center has introduced a revised model skill loan scheme designed to provide financial support for skill development courses to the nation's youth. Launched on 25th July by Jayant Chaudhary, Minister of State for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Education, the scheme aims to remove financial barriers to advanced skill education. Question number 8. Recently, Ministry of Culture has released the commemorative stamp on 100th birth anniversary of. Answer is Mukesh Chand Mathur. On 24th July 2024, the Ministry of Culture has released the commemorative stamp in honor of the legendary Indian playback singer Mukesh Chand Mathur, marking his centenary 100th birth anniversary on 22nd July 2024. India Post also issued a commemorative postage stamp of denomination 30 rupees on 100th birth anniversary of legendary singer Mukesh Chand Mathur. Question number 9. As per UN report, how many people faced hunger in 2023? Answer is 733 million. According to the latest United Nations report titled State of Food Security and Nutrition in the World, SOFI 2024, around 733 million people faced hunger in 2023, which is equivalent to 1 in 11 people, approx 9% globally, and 1 in 5 in Africa. As per SOFI 2024, India is home to 194.6 million undernourished people, which is the highest in any country in the world. The report mentioned that about 13% of the population of India suffers from chronic undernourishment. Question number 10. Sahitya Akademi awardee Francis de Brito has passed away. He was the founder of which movement? Answer is Harit Vasai. Sahitya Akademi awardee, Father Francis de Brito, a renowned Marathi literature, environmentalist and Catholic priest, passed away at the age of 81 in Palghar district of Maharashtra. He was founded the Harit Vasai movement, which protects the environment and small farmers from powerful land developers. He served as the president of the 93rd All India Marathi Literary Conference, held in January 2020 at Osmanabad, Maharashtra. Question number 11. Recently released autobiography of a refugee scientist is the autobiography of. Answer is Dr. M.K. Singari. Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu, Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, released Dr. M.K. Singari's autobiography titled Autobiography of a Refugee Scientist. The book, published by Notion Press, marks his fifth book. Dr. M.K. Singari's family migrated from Pakistan to India during the 1947 partition of British India. The book features the life journey of Singari, from a refugee to a pioneering industrialist. Question number 12. Which state government has presented to lakhs 91,159 crore rupees state budget for FY25? Answer is Telangana. On 25th July 2024, Mallu Bhatti Vikramarka, Deputy Chief Minister and Finance Minister of Telangana, presented the Telangana state budget of 2,91,159 crore rupees for the financial year 2024-25. This marks the first full budget presented by the Congress government, elected in December 2023, in the Telangana Legislative Assembly in Hyderabad, Telangana. Question number 13. Who has announced the development of an AI-powered search engine, SearchGPT? Answer is OpenAI. OpenAI, the company behind the revolutionary ChatGPT, has announced the development of an AI-powered search engine called SearchGPT. With SearchGPT, OpenAI aims to enhance the conversational capabilities of its models with real-time information from the web, making search faster and easier. Currently, Google holds an impressive 80% market share in the search business, making it the undisputed market leader. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.